So how to close your PayPal account permanently? So to delete your PayPal account, if you open up the PayPal dashboard, you'll just want to click on the settings icon right here. And then once you've done that, it'll open you up to this page here. And if you scroll down the page a little bit, you'll come across this section here, which will say close your account. So just go ahead and click on it. And then you'll be given this message here, which will ask you, are you sure you want to close your account? So obviously just make sure that you're ready, because this can't be undone once you close your account. So to go ahead and close it, just click close account. And then once you've done that, you'll be displayed this message here, which will say, we're sorry to see you go. And then from there, it will kick you back to the main homepage. And it is as simple as that. And obviously, if you do change your mind, you can go ahead and sign up again at any time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.